Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into stocks and sectors that are poised to gain from the government's PLI scheme. But before we get into the specifics, let's grasp what the PLI scheme is all about. The Production Linked Incentive Scheme is a strategic initiative by the Indian government. Its aim is to turbocharge various sectors by incentivizing companies to step up domestic manufacturing, reduce imports, and drive economic growth. It provides financial rewards to companies pioneering new products and technologies, propelling them toward excellence. Now, let's break down the sectors and specific stocks set to flourish under this scheme. Pharma Sector. The PLI scheme for pharmaceuticals, part of the Atmanirbharta initiative, has allocated a significant budget. Companies like Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited and Biocon Limited stand to gain substantially. The IT hardware sector. Under the PLI 2.0 program, the IT hardware sector is buzzing with excitement. Dixon Technologies Limited and NetWeb Technologies India Limited are among the frontrunners here. Drone and drone components sector. The PLI scheme's infusion in the drone industry has sparked significant growth. Paras Defence and Space Technologies Limited and IdeaForge Technology Limited are on the radar for substantial gains. Railway sector. As the Indian Railways prepares for its own PLI scheme, companies like Texmaco Rail and Engineering Limited and Titagarh Rail Systems Limited are poised to leverage this opportunity. In conclusion, the PLI scheme is a game changer, aimed at revolutionizing various sectors. Despite challenges, its potential for job creation, reduced dependence on imports, and boosting domestic manufacturing remains promising. It's a substantial stride towards India's self-reliance and its manufacturing prowess on the global stage. That's all for today's dive into the PLI scheme's impact on stocks and sectors. Stay tuned for more exciting updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.